Alrighty, alrighty. Good morning, traders. Get my chat rooms all worked out. We're gonna go ahead and go live here. All right, what are we looking at for today? Right now, I mean, PROG is kind of gapping up. I think it's gapping up around 10%. Yeah, just over 10%, I believe, for PROG. And I'm watching PROG over 246. Over 246, we have room back up to 270. I mean, if we break over 270, we bring up to 3 for PROG. Plus, we got great news on PROG. PROG actually had just for the short squeeze yesterday. And then today, they actually released, announces several patents granted by the USPTO, strengthening the company's intellectual property position in ingestible therapeutics technology. So, that's good news. I think we're going to see a good amount of traders kind of take this higher. I want to see this crack 246, crack 246, come up to 270, and then $3 for PROG. Again, oh man, that was unfortunate. Oh, cool. Cool. So, we got to actually, let's go ahead and go down the list. Right now we have WTH. I don't have any reason to watch this. It's moving up, but why is it moving up? What happened? What's going on? 13, here we go. The 12 morning reports passive stake. Morgan Stanley holds 10% passive stake in this company. So that's, man, but it's not like great news. Not great. Then we have NEUU. This is one that just needs to be on the stock that's moving up. It just needs to be above $1 here soon. I'm going to actually delete this off the watch list because I don't like that. JSPR. This is one I'm trying a new strategy here. Not really a new strategy. So I'm going to start taking data about what happens when... So basically JSPR stated has a new $21 price target with the stock being at $9. Now I'm going to figure out how long that's going to take, or like if we close in the green today, does that consistently, if they get a price target, do they consistently close in the green every single time? How about BBIG and AKD? BBIG is moving up. I think we're up, gapping up around 7% or so. Pre-markets and after hours. We are above the 9 and 20 EMA. We did have increasing volume. I do think we have room back up to potentially 760. Maybe not today. We'll see if we get volume today, but 760 is going to be a nice resistance level. 760 to $8. Then we have NAKD. And AKD is just like, I'm not too sure, making higher lows, higher highs. So I expect NAKD to eventually make that higher high again. I mean, I'm not too sure when it will be, but it's like we've just been making higher highs and higher lows. So, and same with PROG. Expect PROG to break and continue higher for the path very soon. So JSPR, SNTG, no news. So I'm not a huge fan of that. Then ALIM, too choppy for me. I'm deleting that off my watch list. We have NSPR. It's moving up, but I'm not a huge fan. Good morning to you. How are you doing? Right now, I'm not watching too many things. I'm just kind of sitting back. We have around 25 minutes left. BBIG. I don't know why you want to watch BBIG. There's no news. Oh, that's the Roomba. I mean, Josh thinks that we could see this come up too. That's TTCF. Not too choppy pre-market to trade. We're kind of rounding off, and we're finding support around 1775. Break 1775, we have room down to 16. But if we start to find a reversal, maybe a double bottom, inverse head and shoulders pattern, we have room back up to 18, and then really not much resistance until around 21 to 22 for TTCF. Good, rain in here? Yep. Not raining here, but it's extremely foggy. But, oh yeah. PROG. No, there's news. Yeah, so PROG is not a hot stock. They released some news. We had WTHF, HRF, WTRH. That is our top stock to watch right out of the gate. Or that's the one that's gapping up the most. I'm not a huge fan just because there's not crazy news. Like, oh, okay, this guy, Morgan Stanley reports 10% passive stake in their holdings. WTHF, JSP. Okay, BBIG did break that downtrend. NIO. Let's look at NIO. Okay. We gapped up. This might be the back to the retest of the downtrend, decreasing volume pullback. Might see an inverse head and shoulders pattern potentially, or potential double bottom. Now we are above this trend line. I want to see a bullish day today. We did get a bullish reaction off the pre-market. I'm in the stock market at 5K to spend. Any advice, ETF or crypto? Depends how long. I would throw it all. I mean, if I were you, I'd throw it all into crypto. But this is money that you don't need. If you don't need this money for like 6 months, I would throw it all into crypto. Yeah, so I think NIO, we could see it back up to 42 and then back up to 48 in the next couple months. 100%. So I might buy actually a call or something. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you. No problem. And we're looking at MDB. Thank you guys for the 100 likes. MDB. We do have a gap fill down at around $402. So I do expect this to fill at some time. That's also have the strong support. And then I would like to see maybe a double bottom or maybe some more, and then double bottom or inverted head and shoulders pattern. Then we can come back up to those highs. XRP Bitcoin, or I think you should throw it. If you have you said 5,000. Yeah, I think throw 1,000 in Bitcoin, 1,000 in Ethereum, 1,000 in XRP, 1,000 in Quant, and 1,000 in ICP. I can restate that if you didn't catch all that. Oh, SOFI. Morgan Stanley put a $25 price target on that. When was that? I remember that he did that. I remember SOFI having a price target, but I'm trying to find out a new strategy to see how stocks perform the day of a price target release. Thank you guys for the likes. How about ENPH? No idea. How about ICP? Or it's ICP, Bitcoin, XRP, and Ethereum and Quants, QNT. You can buy all of them on Coinbase besides XRP. You can buy XRP on Uphold. I started mining Bitcoins. Did you? Really? Hey, good for you, my man. That's awesome. I want to get into that eventually. I want to buy a rental property one time, or in the future, I want to buy a rental property, and everything I make from that is going to go into crypto marketing. Oh, stock, ENPH. Let's look. Gap it up slightly. We have a downtrend on the play. I do expect this to maybe pull back a little bit more, find a double bottom, maybe with the break, and then bring back up to 200 for ENPH. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for the likes. Whoa, we're at 1,000 likes. Thank you. And right now, oh yeah, NRXP is one. Oh wait, which one is? It's NRXP. Why didn't NRXP? This is one that I want to keep on watch. It was moving up yesterday. Might get some momentum from yesterday. This is absolutely crazy. Riot or Hut? Neither. Invest in crypto. And then we have SPY. SPY predictions. We honestly might be forming a head and shoulders pattern here on the SPY. Nice, the shoulder, head, and another shoulder. If we stay above 433 today, we had some strong bounce off 433. I mean, this will give us a price target of around. This could give us a price target of potentially that all-time high. Potentially. That's if it holds the 433, and if we get a confirmation about this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a break of the neckline. What is it? KOSS. Okay, Josh was saying that KOSS is a previous supernova stock, so we're gonna add that on our watch list. FAMI predictions. Thank you guys for the likes. We're at 1.5. 1.5. That's all. I don't remember the last time I was at 1.5 thousand likes. And for some FAMI, we might be potentially forming a bull pennant, looking to break. We want to see increasing volume today. Did we get a bullish reaction? Not too sure. As long as we don't break 30 cents, I think we could. I think we have room back up to 40 and then 50 cents potentially for FAMI. Yeah, I am going to SKOSS. Let's see. Oh, yeah, moving yesterday. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is the Supernova last time when Josh was trading it. This is what he was talking about. So I'm watching KOSS October 11th. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, all right. So let's see what happens. Oh. Was this yesterday? That oh, a $25 price target. Yep, there she goes. And she closes pretty strong a day, SOFY. That's good. Hey, thank you for the subscriber. Yeah, so that's good. That's good for the thing. If you just buy at market open for a price target and hold it for the whole day. So we're gonna check. We also have JSPR that I'm actually watching today. Price target of 21. So maybe if we can see gap, you buy at the open and see if you can hold all day. So I'm just trying to think of a really quick, easy strategy that you can do. If you see a price target, boom, and then rip to the upside, hold it. We have PROG. I like it. I still have calls on it. I think continue to rip, but let's go and see. I think we could see PROG back up to 270, potentially even $3 today. Breaks 3, we have room to 330, that 200 SMA. Go on Game Jolt and search up and watch the teaser. Okay, I'll bring it over on the main screen. Game Jolts. Wait. GameJolt.com. And then Garthia. The fuck is this? And watch the teaser. They are watching you. Golden Shark, Golden Shark. Let's watch the teaser, I guess. Oh no, I'm scared. I don't know. I don't. Move over from TikTok. Awesome. Thank you, my man. Thank you, my man. I really appreciate it. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, guys, I don't know. Nah, that was thank you guys for the likes on TikTok. But what do you want? We're gonna look at DATS. DATS is closing up towards the high for pre-market. We have 10 minutes left till market open. Right now I'm not watching. I mean, I do want to see W not a huge fan of WTH. Or guys, what I am looking for is that PROG to come up to potentially $3 today. And I am looking for WTHR or WTRH to break this downtrend. Room back up to 126. Let's go. I'm going to get open my potential or my options so I don't have to always go to the screen. JSPR. Let's see where this opens up. Over the trend line, we'll have a lot of room to the upside. We have NSRP. Nothing. Again, right now I'm not really watching too many things. There was this successful retest for BBIG on the trend line. That's what I'd like to see. Thank you for the follow. NRXP. Nothing crazy. And then KORS or KOSS. It's my B-Day. Happy birthday. How old are you? How old are you turning? I hope you have a wonderful day, my man. When it swirls, when it swirls. What was this pump? Turned 18. Awesome, awesome. You can start investing. Start investing and buying some crypto. Whoa, I lost a stupid amount. WTH. Doug, I got COVID. It's COVID. You're 18. You'll rebound. I wish you the best though. You and mom and at the time. Thanks, homie. Good luck trading. Thank you, thank you. Good luck with COVID. Yeah. Guys, right now I'm just sitting on my hands. We have 5 minutes left till market open. I don't want to trade too prematurely today. All right. Oh, KOSS is ripping to the upside now. Hmm. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. We're at 1.8 thousand likes. Thank you guys. Decreasing volume on KOS. Enlightenedness. Two minutes left. 2 minutes left. Blunt blowing, daughter jaw showing. I don't give a loving motherfucker. How's BLNK doing? Blink charging 29. Dude, my buddy was buying it all the way back in 2019 when it was at like $4 or $5, and that went all the way up to he's still holding when it went all the way up to 64. So I wonder if he sold. I'll have to ask him. Times have changed. Fuck it, need a new watch. Between two dots. All right, here we go, guys. Ooh. Woo! Let's get some more water. Wake him up a little bit. Oh man, guys. It's my first day without nicotine. I'm quitting. And I'm just tired. It's weird. But fuck it. I'm not craving it right now, but we're gonna open at 8 points. All right, price at close. Okay, so he is watching on BB. Oh, I do not like to see that. PROG is absolutely dumping. Do not like to see that. WTH, nothing. JSPR. Oh, excuse me. Give her hell. Here we go. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let's get it. Um. Yeah, WTRH. I missed it. That's unfortunate that I'm not able to get. I want to look. I want to see a retest. Uh, did like this. I'm not a huge fan of this really high upper wick. Oh, JSPR. Oh, we're not halted? Oh, we're about to get halted. Okay, so there's good news. All right, here comes the halt strategy. I'm not a huge fan of that. I mean, we have a 1009 here. Let's see if that 1050 was a pretty significant. We have some resistance at 10. So I would like to see this gap up over. Bad across the board, yeah. So I think we're gonna do some a halt strategy here. We're gonna be live at 9:38:13. Let's see. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of how fast. I mean, okay, it did move up like. No, no, this no, I'm not gonna do it. The volume is absolutely dog shit. So I'm not a fan of JSPR right now. I'm not gonna since the halt strategy is just so like risky and decreasing volume here. JSPR will be live here in around 2 minutes. SNTG, NSPR, BBIG decreasing volume. NRXP and KOSS. Ooh. Again, JSPR. It's unfortunate, but the volume's just not good enough for me. Good chance. Should be live here in around 20 seconds for JSPR. Live here in around 10 seconds. Your limit order would be at 990. Looks like it might be a 10-minute halt. Looks like it's going to be a 10-minute halt. Why the fuck isn't this loading? Jesus. Nothing's loading. Did my internet go out? No, doesn't look like it. Um, this breaks over 123. There we have a lot of room to the upside. JSPR should be live here at 9:43:14, so in around 2 minutes. Let's see your screen. If you want to come see my screen, come on YouTube. Links in bio. I'm not really watching too much right now. I mean, nothing's really looking great. I mean, I was watching WTRH for the pinch. I was looking to buy somewhere in here, but I missed my entry. So I'm not a fan of it now. I'm looking for PROG to maybe inverse head and shoulders pattern. I want to see this stay above really 229. Let's see where. I mean, ideally I want to say this, have this stay above 225. Thank you for the follow. JSPR will be live here in around 14 seconds. See what's happening. And around 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that would have been a great to hold strategy if you would have got in. Up 12%. Oh my gosh. Halted again. Are we getting stacked? We're stacking again. Should I send it? Should I get in? Should I get in? I'm trying to get in. Let's see if I can get in. No, I'm not going to get in. I canceled it. I don't want to get in. Holy shit. That was crazy. That was fast. That was fast. Up 16%, 17%. Man, send it. I was going to. That's crazy. I don't think TD Ameritrade would have got me filled in on that, just because it's way too quick. If I had light speed, definitely I would have gotten filled. PROG back up. Yes. WTHR or WTRH. What stock is this? It was JSPR, but we're not watching it anymore. It's halted, but I don't like taking halts after the second halt. So it's up 61%. And then little WTRH is just a little choppy for me. JSPR. NRXP, if we break that, I mean, we have room down to break the low. I think we have room down to 835. Break the low. We had a nice retest. I might look to take this down to around 835 for NRXP. Bitches love me. Wow. Baby don't give a fuck. What you do? Ghetto type of bitch that don't even say hello. I want to see this come back. No, I missed the entry. I don't know how much of an entry. Oh man, that's unfortunate. It's really unfortunate. Oh, that's all the way at 130. Implied volatility there would have killed me. We got PROG. JSPR, STNG, BBIG, and I'm deleting this. Looking for a successful retest. If I can see a nice retest here, I might look to buy. This is the October 15th $10 strike. I'm looking to buy this at like 130, 135. If I can get this at 135, that'd be ideal. I want to see a successful retest. It seems pretty far out there. Yeah, JSPR is halted. I wouldn't take it for the second halt though. That's just my strat. That's just one of my rules. But this is saying it's really high, but the implied volatility is saying that it. Not, I think JSRP has more room to upside, but I don't like trading the. Fuck, guys! I would have just been up $250, and I would have kept holding it. That's unfortunate. I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. I'm gonna try to get in it. I'm gonna try to get in a little bit more. Implied volatility is. There it is, JSRP. You could have gotten maybe 4%. We had some resistance at 12.12, 12.22. There's the halt strategy. Let's see if we can rep to the upside here. I'm looking at NRXP right now. I am looking for a nice potential bullish movement, and then I want to short it back down to I want to short it back down to 835. Break 835. Honestly, we have room lower. Where can we go? Wow, this is stupid. There's all these lines. Yeah, I'm looking for it back down to 835. I want to see a. Here's the retest. Let's see if I can get in at a. Whoa. Let's see if we can get in at 140. Not a huge fan of this right now. The implied volatility is kind of is not looking how I'd want it. We do have decreasing volume, so that's what I want to see. Have a good day. I hope you get rich soon. I have to go walk my dog. Hey, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping in. We'll see you guys tomorrow. $155. What stock is I'm looking at? NRXP for the short down to 235. It's not moving how I like it. Yep, there's JSPR. That's why I don't catch it after the second halt. SNTG, BBIG, bounce. Still haven't made any trades today. Try to get in here. Let's see if I can get in at I don't like that decreasing volume. Don't like that decreasing volume though. Don't like this decreasing volume on NRXP. Not liking anything. There's that increasing volume. What's your thoughts on NIL? I think we did break over the downtrend, and I think we have room back higher to 42, 30, 40 to 42 within the next couple of weeks to months. Guys, I'm just going to leave this trade alone. I mean, up from here to here, the contracts haven't changed at all, even though it's moved fucking 3%. That's stupid. But JSPR is absolutely ripping to the upside. What's going on? Maybe we're in a rising wedge, so be careful. Be careful. We don't really have. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of anything right now. WTH is moving up. Or WTRH. Crack over those pre-market highs. We have a lot of room. Want to see a decreasing volume pullback. No, do not break. I want you to come down just a little bit more, back down to 22. No, no. No, don't do that. I want to average into you. I don't want you to continue to rip. LXP, double bottom. Ugh. Man, I want to buy right down there. JSPR, what the fuck is going on? Oh my god. Jesus. That's stupid. I want to see a decreasing volume pullback. I'm going to go and buy 500 here. I'm going to average in very light volume. My stops are below 125. They're going to be, wow. 124, 123, 126. And up. I want to see another pullback. I want to go in with more. I want to see more of a. That's unfortunate I wasn't able to get in with my full size. That was a fucking terrible trade. It moved up too fast. I wasn't able to capitalize on it. I wanted to add in 1,500 shares, but I should have added in on this position right here. There I'm out. I only went with around a third of my position. Caught this short move, but wanted to catch more of a move, but it's not getting the explosiveness that I wanted. Oh, I don't like, we're breaking the downtrend here. Man, JSPR ripping. Overnight swing. PROG. Here we want to see PROG stay above 20 or 226. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Right now it's a slow day in the market. Besides JSPR is ripping to the upside. Opened at $8, sitting at $15 right now. Hey, thank you for the likes. Thank you for the likes. We're at 2,100 likes. If we get to 3,000 likes, that'd be awesome. TikTok also pushes the stream more, so I'd really appreciate it. PROG. You have the time to listen to me whine. I'll go ahead and see if you guys like this more. Do you guys like that better? Will that work more? Um, yes. Okay, cool. So I am watching PROG to pull back to 229. If you guys want to see my screen better, I'm on live on YouTube right now, so you can actually see it. WTH sold at the top, very small profit of 13. Only scaling with a third of my position. A nice reversal on NRXP. I want to see us stay above 9, maybe a higher low. Room back to 980 potentially. JSPR. I'm not too sure. We're just kind of forming. If we break over that 1527, we can come up to 16. But BBIG. Not a huge fan of anything right now. Man, Jesus. JSPR is absolutely crazy, ripping to the upside. If I start to see stacking, I'm gonna jump in for the haul. What is your YouTube channel? My YouTube channel is Stock Talk Trades. Links in bio. It's just Stock Talk Trades, no spaces. Man, I was looking for it to get in on JSPR for the hold strategy, but it absolutely dumped. SNTG is just dumping. BBIG. Yeah, the focus does need to be on large caps. They come back, see a retest, and we have room back down lower. We're looking at PLUG. Let's look at plug. It's choppy, just moving up. Did gap up today. Break over 30. We'll break up these highs. We've run up to 34 and then 35. We will fill that gap sometime at $30. But nothing's really screaming bullish or bearish. I mean, we are pretty bullish, but with very high volume on a low spread. So we might see it continue to pump to the downside here. If we break this 32.14 level, we'll come down and test that intraday low. All right. All right, all right. When I come up to the retest, I mean, I don't really see much. CRXT. What's going on with CRXT? A $10 price target. Okay, they had a price target of around opened at 4. So right now, what I've been seeing is that right at market open, buy the stock, because that's been 3 times where when they have a price target where it's pretty significant above, it rips the upside for the day. So looks like buy pre-market and let it go. And then maybe you can have your stop below the pre-market lows. But that's 3 out of 3. Yeah, so that whole strategy is a 3 out of 3 so far, or that strategy. Don't like this really high wick low. Want to see a bigger pullback before we continue higher. Let's go ahead and look at our chart. Above the 20 EMA. There, sold those. WTH, boom. That was whoa. That was crazy. Popped up, absolutely ripped. CRXT. I see this start to get stacked, I'm gonna. If I see stacking, I don't think there is stacking. Nope. And we see the 9 EMA pullback. It's giving me a lot of confidence that we have the same amount of volume as we did back in the beginning. So I do want to see this kind of pop up over this previous high. So I'm going to see this, want to see a slight pullback a little bit more. I want to see this pullback to the 9 EMA. See another red candle. I mean, we usually see 2 to 3. I mean, we've really... decreasing volume. $16.50. I want to see us bounce off the 9 EMA though. I don't want to buy and have my stop at $16.50 because my stop right now would have to be unless we see some higher volume on this doji candle, then my stops would be below this low, and I would go with around 100 shares. Average. Don't like to see that. Yep, come on down. Come on down a little bit more. I know you want to. No lolly at all. I'll give 3 winners of today. DATs, SMTG, and CEI. Nice, nice. The buyers are now starting to take it. DATS is halted. Halted to the downside. Oh, man. Are you live on TikTok too? Yes, I am. I am live on TikTok. I'm waiting for a pullback. No, I want to get my stops would be below 1650 or we're gonna shake out everybody. This is so tempting. I want to get it in risk below 40 cents. We have very light volume on this candle. Very, very light volume. This is, yeah, there. I'm glad I didn't. Look how light, look how little volume, look how little volume. This better pullback. Might be down to that 16 level. So right now, if you bought in, you'd be risking around over 2%. We have a decreasing volume pullback. You'd have to risk around 50 cents here. I might look to start this position. Stops are at 1566. Oh. Yeah. Look for a pullback to around 15 if we can't hold 1580 or 1580. Spreads are around 10 cents of difference. Oh my goodness. SNTG. PROG ripping now. Oh, I did not want to get rid of that options chain, but I'm chilling for now. Not that I slow, but I'm still awake. PROG just taking it. Very light volume on this pullback. And for a pullback somewhere in between around 15. Very light volume on the pullback as well. I want to see a really high volume with the doji candle. We're on a nice 90 EMA pullback on the 5-minute. I'm going to stay above around, around that 11 or 15, 11, 15, 20 level. We have around 30 seconds left till this candle closes. Then I want to see a potential double bottom, and that would give us confirmation on the 1-minute and on the 5-minute, because the 5-minute would show us that we bounced off the 90 EMA, and we'd have a double bottom on the 1-minute. What ticker is that? That is JSPR. If you want to see what tickers I'm looking at all the time, come over to YouTube. I don't look at my TikTok chat very often just because they're facing away from me. Fuck! Do not want to see that. No, my man. I want you to come back down. I want you to come back down just a little bit. Just a tad. Just a tad. Risk around 5%. Damn, and it's pumping again. I want to see it come up and hold that 15.8 level. Could have an inverse or a head and shoulders pattern, actually. Looking for PROG now. I want to hold around 37. If I can nail an entry, that's 6%. That's not. Want to see a double bottom. Not the best, but if you want to enter, you have to risk 60 cents now. PROG, WTH. I mean, yeah, nothing's really. Not a huge fan of anything right now. I am too. Decreasing volume. Now we have an increase in volume on the 5 minute, so I am looking for a crack here very soon. We have around this candle left, so I am going to risking 3%. I'm gonna go ahead and get in with 25 shares. Yeah. My stop is down there. Do want to see this. We're kind of rounding off on the 5 minutes, so I do like to see that. Oh no, I did. I like to. I wanted to have that. I'm a little iffy too, but I only went with a half my position. Come down a little bit more. Decreasing volume. I'm looking for the crack of the downtrend here. Oh, I'm not a fan. Not a fan. That's why I only went in with a third of my position. Might look to actually jump back in again. Do you like this really high volume? I'm gonna go ahead and get into another 25 shares. I think we could see another bullish movement here. With a bullish reaction, I want to see it come down and crack. I want to see it come up to 15 or 1580. There's the crack. Getting more confidence in this. But I don't like the volume. If we close above the EMAs, I'm gonna add into it. I'm in with 50 shares. I'm in with 50 shares. Come on, I'm gonna sell some at 1627. You know, I'm not a huge fan of what the actual volume, so I am going to actually take some here. I'm going to move my stop to break even. Yeah, my stop is that break even. Should have sold more up top, but probably it looks like we are going to break. Um, Come on, I know you can continue higher. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Got 40 shares long. Very light volume. You know, I don't like the volume. I might just go ahead and flatten my position here. If we don't break over that candle right now, there it is, broke over the candle. Boom, that's what I like. Don't like the volume, though. I want to see this close to the top at 1660. I'm just going to flatten it here. Oh, of course I couldn't flatten it. There we go. Flattened it. I probably could have waited a little bit longer and got a better, but I'm glad I just got rid of that loss. Do you have increasing volume? I do think we are going to see it continue to push up here. I was being a little bit impatient, but it is 1040, so I got to be really careful. I'm up only like 30 bucks for today. Nothing crazy. I'll take that. That's nothing crazy. But green is green. I mean, that's around, for me, that's around $15 an hour, which is okay. Which works with me. I'm going to end the live streams here. I'm going to go get some food. Thank you guys for stopping in. If you guys want to get a lesson update today on YouTube and on TikTok, people are on TikTok. I am posting a downtrend break video today on my YouTube, and I think it could provide a lot of value for you guys. Anyways, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.